Hi, Michelle from Birdcage and Thread here with a quick tutorial on adding zipper tabs. When you're making a project with a tab on both ends of the zipper, when you go to sew on the tabs of the open end, sometimes the zipper wants to shift around, making sewing the tab on frustrating. This method will help alleviate that problem and give you great results. There are other methods out there too. This is just an alternative. So firstly, you need to cut off the zipper stops on the open end of the zipper. So just open the zipper slightly, then cut off those two metal stops. Then you're going to remove the zipper pull. And now you have a zipper that's closed. Then you're going to cut off the zipper stop on the other end of the zipper. And then open out the zipper teeth a couple of inches from that end that you just cut. Now I'm going to reattach the zipper pull, and there's two ends to the zipper pull. You've got the rounded end and a flat end. You want to insert the round end onto the zipper teeth first. So do this by inserting the teeth into one side of the zipper pull, about halfway. Then I'm going to support the zipper pull with my finger while I insert the second side of the zipper teeth, like that. Try to make the ends of the tape even if you can, and then holding both sides of the zipper tape, you're going to push the zipper onto the teeth, and you'll probably hear a click. And once the end of the zipper pull is even with the tape, you know that the zipper pull's been put on the zipper teeth. Then you're going to hold each side of the zipper tape and pull the zipper pull onto about halfway down the zipper teeth. Then it's just a matter of cutting the zipper down to the size that you need, and now you can sew on the zipper tabs, and both ends are closed so you won't have the shifting of the open end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.